It's stuck, sir. Look, it's stuck. It hurts. I've never been tased. It hurts.
Okay, well, I have, so I know you can move your arm.
Sir, I swear to God.
Put your right arm behind your back. You're going to get it again.
Sir, look at me. I swear to God, I can't move my arm. Look, my hand. My hand is broken, and you're hurting it.
Put it behind your back right now.
All right, I am. Look. Tell him to please let it go. I promise I will.
Put it behind your back right now.
I can't move it. Look. Look. Look.
Look. Put it again. Do you want it again?
No, sir.
You want it again?
No,
Put it
sir.
behind your back right now.
I am, I promise. Look. Look, there's my lawyer.
Put it behind your back.
Oh, I'm done.
Put your hand behind your back right now.
Hold on, sir. Sir, listen. No, I don't want to get you.
Stop resisting! What is your problem?
Listen to me.
Give me your arm!
It's broken.
Give me your arm!
It's broken.
Fuck you, old man!
Hey.
Come on, let's go. Get him in. Let's get him in.
I'm about to right now. Look. It's in my neck.
Here.
Stop!
Sir, don't hit me.
Go back.
Go inside!
Ow.
Give me your
No,
fucking
don't blast
arm!
me.
Please, go inside!
I can't feel my arm because it's broken, and you're making it worse, sir.
Put your arm behind your back.
I'm trying to.
No, you're not.
You don't understand. You broke it. Sir, you broke this arm. Look at it.
Stop moving!
Look at the bone.
Stop!
The bone. Oh, my ear, sir. My ear. Please
Stop!
help me. Please call my lawyer, Ray Ray. Teo Seguenza. Please. That hurts so bad.
Hey, put your arm behind your back.
Right now. I can't move with you on my neck.
What is your problem?
Behind your back.
Listen, I have autism, you fucking scum. You don't understand. Because I have autism. And my dad is dead.
You can't do that. You can't do that. You can't do that. I know the law.
He's recording.
I got it.
Yep. You definitely can't do that.
You guys can't do that.
You cannot do it.
Police brutality. Get on the ground!
You guys hit me
You
again.
can't do that. You cannot do that.
Behind
your back.
I am. Look it, I'm trying, but he's on me. Look.
Put your arm behind your back. Get back.
I'm telling you right now.
I want to see. Come back. Get back.
Fuck you.
Ow.
I want to see the captain. And I want the
Where's
captain
the
out here now.
Where's the captain?
I want the captain out here now.
No, trust me, all of them.
I'm glad you're hitting me.
Get on your
Get
back!
out of your stomach.
I can't look at you.
You're holding them
Get out of
down.
your stomach. Let's go.
He just pulled his pistol on me.
Get out of your stomach.
I'm trying. Look, let's go. I'm trying. You won't let me. Look, they were out of my ear, right? Get on your stomach.
Right now.
He won't let me. They won't let me get tased again. He won't let me. Look. He won't let me.
Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
Sir, are you
now,
the captain?
look at me. Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, I am.
Now.
Look, he's on my arm, sir.
Put your hand behind your back.
He's on my arm.
Put it behind your back.
Ow.
Put it behind your
I
back.
can't. Ray, record this.
Taser, taser, taser.
Record. Ow, here. Ow, Ray, ow.
Put your hand behind your back.
Ow, I didn't do it, sir. Stop. I didn't.
Taser, taser, taser. We're going to trial with this one.
Ow. There's my lawyer. You guys are going to be sued.
Let's go. Come on. Put your hand behind your back now.
I'm trying.
You got that phone
Listen,
too?
you have to put your hand behind your back. Stop touching me.
He's hurting me, sir.
You got that phone in there too?
behind your back. Let's go. Put your hand behind your door strikes, midsection.
Ray.
Hand behind your back. We got everything on camera, don't we? We got
My
everything on
rib.
camera.
My rib. My rib. My rib.
All these people.
They already got it.
Got it.
They got all my information. Good.
No, I didn't get it.
He's got it.
I'm autistic.
I'm not about to have that happen to me. Get away from me.
I'm not going to do it. I don't even know what's going on. I'm just asking you
They just beat my ass. Oh, look how he's grabbing me.
What? I'm sorry, what is your name?
Can you, like, get out of my
No,
way?
I'm asking
They
you.
already got my information, okay? Now,
I'm asking you who got... Stop walking away. I'm asking who got your information. Who got your information? I'm asking you.
officer over there, can you get out of my face?
Just
What the?
let me know what your name is. Did somebody get her information already?
Yes, they got my information.
They did take hers. She can keep recording.
Yeah,
You can get out my way.
Wide open, right?
Yeah. So your